Hi, this is Russ at Keast Enterprises. Today I'm here with REM VR12 diesel. We have built this in our shop. It's a custom built trailer with this is a CAT Tier 4 174 horse engine and onboard fuel, onboard electric over hydraulic for the auger, and all the piping and tubing is on the back of the machine. Very nice machine. This is a very high capacity machine. This machine will move 10,000 bushels per hour. So that is a lot of grain. And it will do 10,000 bushels an hour too. It's been clocked at over that. This is an 8-inch machine. Actually, it's a 10-inch to start with. So the first hose comes on, it's 10-inch, and then we quickly transition down to 8-inch, and the rest of the hose is all 8-inch. And it comes with a 48-foot package of tubing and hose. And we build hoses in our shop, so we can make that. We can increase the length of the tubes or get whatever you need for piping and hoses. This is the control panel for the VR12 diesel CAT Tier 4. This runs the auger, electric over hydraulic up. I'll start it up here so you can see how it's going. We get this clear extended, we'll go ahead and fire it up. Controls are all on a waterproof panel here. This is brand new Tier 4 CAT. Again, this is the REM VR12 diesel, CAT Tier 4 diesel. We build these, custom build these in our shop, and we can use any engine that you want. We've built these with John Deere's, we built these with the Isuzus, we've built these with, we can build these with gas engines, propane engines, or we have built grain vacs that are electric also, electric drive. So anything you want, we can build. Tremendous machine. This machine does have a dust filter that this very efficiently catches the dust that this machine produces and puts it in a bucket. Using this machine in town, around houses, that's what the filtration's for, is keep it clean. Again, I'm Russ at Keast Enterprises. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a call if you got any questions whatsoever. Thank you very much.